Hello and welcome to this quick video tutorial where I'm going to show you how to delete messages in WhatsApp, both for yourself and the people you've sent them to, as well as just keep your WhatsApp clutter free. So first thing you want to do if you want to delete a message for yourself, what you want to do is go to the message here in your list of messages under chats, tap and hold on the message there that you want to delete, and you'll see a button there that says Delete Chat. If you tap on Delete Chat with the red trash can icon, it will delete the entire chat. Now, unfortunately, it will not delete it for the other person unless it's 2 days or less. So understanding that you have to have sent it within the past couple of days in order for it to be removed from the person that you're chatting with. So you can do it that way. Another way is once you're in the message, as you see we are here, you can tap and hold on specific areas of that message, and you'll see there'll be an option there at the bottom that says delete. If you tap on delete, it will bring up the check boxes on the left-hand side. You then go through and put a check mark on all of the actual strings of text in the message that you want to delete. So this is great if you only want to delete certain sections of the actual thread. And then another quick way is once you're on the chat screen here, you can swipe to the left and you can see you can move that to archive. But if you tap the more button there, you will have an option that says delete chat. If you delete that chat, it'll delete it. Now, if you tap on clear chat, just like so, it will clear all messages, so the chat will be empty, but you'll remain in a conversation with that person, so you don't have to start that new thread once again. And lastly, a pro tip. If you want to keep your WhatsApp clutter-free, you can turn on disappearing messages. So just go into a chat thread, tap the person's name at the very top there, and you'll see an option about midway down that says disappearing messages. Tap into disappearing messages, and you can see that basically the messages in the thread will be deleted automatically after a certain time period. You can set that to be 24 hours, 7 or 90 days, or just turn it off. So if I turn this to 7 days, once a message is 7 days or older, it will automatically be deleted. So I turn that on there, go back to the thread, and you can see I've turned on disappearing messages. New messages, since you've turned that on, will now disappear after that allotted time. That's it. That's how you delete messages and keep your WhatsApp clutter-free. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.